Hi, my name is Ethan, and this is my rail gun.
Oh, no! What the?
Hi everyone, this is a rail gun. It's got wires coming out of everywhere, some shiny rails, and it comes with a free rod made of the same stuff your pencil is inside it. It might look a little scary, but it actually demonstrates a really cool physics effect that most of you might not know about.
How it's made is really simple. All it needs is a little power supply you can plug into the wall, and you can hook up the wires to this weird, fancy little device.
What this does is allow electricity, or electric current, to flow through. Electric current is passed through these 2 points, and each point is connected to its own exit where the current flows out of, which are here and here. These can be thought of as the positive and negative ends. These are what the giant clamp you have is for. It is the bridge for the positive and negative ends to connect to the railgun. There's also these massive, super strong magnets below the rails. When you clamp them on, and if the rod is on the rails, it moves forward. You can even make this at home, but only do this with adult supervision. Just cut out a piece of cardboard with scissors and 2 strips of aluminum foil. Glue the foil onto the cardboard, leaving a little bit hanging off the edge. Next, pick up some wires and these weird clips called alligator clips. You also need a 9-volt battery that looks like this. Connect one of the alligator clips to the aluminum foil hanging off of the cardboard and the other end to the shiny end of the battery. Do this for both strips of foil. We're almost there. Take something metal and magnetic. It's very important that a magnet will stick to it, maybe like a metal coat hanger. Cut out a little bit so that it's a bit longer than the distance between the aluminum foil strips. Take 2 little fridge magnets, like these, and stick them onto either end of the little rod we just cut out. Place them on the aluminum strips and it should start rolling. If it doesn't, ask your parent or guardian if they know a safe way to change the battery to something with more voltage.
We've seen so much about this cool thing, but how does it work? What possible connection could there be between magnets, electricity, and this weird-looking pencil?
You might think electricity flowing pushes an object in the same direction as it's flowing. It makes sense, right? Magnets also have what's called a magnetic field, which curves and points from the magnet's north pole to its south pole. Maybe this is also able to push things in the same direction? Like if I was just pushing a box ahead, right? Not quite. In fact, it's much weirder.
Well, the magnets and electricity working together can push an object, but it's in a weird direction you probably won't expect.
I want you to take your right hand and curl in your pinky and ring finger into your palm. Then, straighten the other fingers so that they are all 90 degrees apart from one another, like this. This is called the right hand roll. If your middle finger is lined up with the direction of the magnetic field, and your pointer finger lined up with the flow of the electric current, then your thumb is in the direction of the push. What? That doesn't make any sense! How can the magnetic field and current point in completely opposite directions of the push they create? How is that useful? There's no way this could be used effectively. You're totally right. This effect is not very useful in everyday life. But at the same time, well, it's unavoidable. Cool physics guys worked out the math long ago and it still holds up today. Thankfully, wouldn't want the universe to fall apart right now. And with this railgun, you can see it's indeed the case that it works here. It's not magic that makes the rod move in such a weird direction. It's just physics. And what do physicists do when they make a weird, awesome discovery like this? Keep on going. So don't let a little bit of weirdness stop you. In fact, that's your cue to keep exploring. Because the universe works in mysterious ways.